Welcome back to Christine's Jamaican Kitchen. So today we're doing stew beef. Before we get started, if you haven't already, hit that like and subscribe button, tap that notification bell to be notified as soon as there's more recipes available. This is all the ingredients that I need for this dish. Salt, black pepper, allspice, oil, soy sauce, carrots, red onion, tomato, spicy peppers, garlic, ginger, thyme, scallion, bell pepper, lime, vinegar, and of course, your meat. My meat is already washed with my vinegar and lime and seasoned from overnight. So right now what I have sitting on it is some of the green onion. I have a piece of ginger and garlic with some soy sauce on it. Don't worry guys, I'll have all the measurements in the description box below. Here I have my chopped onion and scallion. See my tomato, thyme, and right in here I have all my peppers. So I have my bell pepper and my spicy pepper going on in here, and ginger. Let's go cook. Let me go wash my hands. My pot is hot and ready for me. So I have my stove on high heat, so I'm just gonna add my oil. At this point, you wanna saute your meat. So the beef had formed its own water. So the own water spring up in the beef. So right now I am basically waiting with the top off. I gave it 15 minutes. So all that water is gonna dry down, and then we're gonna add half of our seasoning and cover. So put the lid on and let it simmer for a couple more minutes. Look at this. It smells so good, and it's not even finished yet. All the water is now gone. So now basically you're kind of just sauteing the half of seasoning that you put in there. You hear it doing that frying, yeah. That frying sound. 1 cup water. lid on. After 20 minutes, my water is completely gone. So now I'm ready to add my rest of my chopped seasoning. Now look, see, my water is completely gone. So if your water is completely gone and you see where it starts to burn, or what you guys would say catch, you tip a little bit of water, meaning you add some more water to it. So I'm fine. So what I'm gonna do now is add 1.5 cups of water. So 1.5 cups of water added. Simmer, medium heat. Last 5 minutes of cooking time, add in my carrots. Look, so I didn't do them super thin. They're a little bit chunky, not too chunky, but they're not super thin, if you could see them. Guys, this smells so good. So good. So I want a little bit more gravy, so I'm gonna add some more water. Dinner is ready. Dinner done. Dinner ready. Look at this, guys. Isn't this lovely? Let me dig in. Guys, oh my gosh, it is so delicious. So you see, I have my, what we call it, green beans. We call it string bean on the side. And I have some cucumber to go with it. Well, I'm telling you guys, this is so good. It tastes so good. Try this recipe. But for now, bye. Bye. Thanks for watching. For more recipes, click the link over here.